Hey, what up, Matthew? It's been
Don't hug me or touch
He's
me.
been in Florida. He's all tan. Look at him. He's tan.
Let's do a pose.
I'm gonna record stuff. Today we're gonna film like 4 videos, including this one, and
we're gonna do a double M on this game, so that'll be on the main channel. That'll be pretty cool.
yeah.
Which one do you want to play on there? There's 30 games
I don't
on
know.
it.
If we fake bottles everywhere.
Actually,
If
that's
we're-
a real bottle
It's real.
of root beer.
Root beer. I hate soda. Dang it. Alright. And we're just gonna do stuff then and record. Yay! This isn't even gonna be much of a vlog. Wait, where's Sadie?
Sadie? Sadie!
Sadie!
Do you want water or milk to drink with us?
I'll have milk. Ooh, I could clickbait this so hard. Alright guys, today we're gonna do the steal your friend's dog prank. Oh yeah guys. Oh, he's right there.
I'm the one with the marker.
Oh jeez, we better run guys.
Here we go.
Don't
My dad once drew a little bow tie on her. It looked terrible.
Oh, no.
That's why she's repelling herself from the marker.
Free Sadie. Be free. Oh. That was weird. Sadie. Come here, baby. Come. Oh, I know. And this man is scared. Come on, baby.
No, I'm such a scary guy.
Come on. I just kidnapped a dog. What you gonna do about it, Matthew?
I'm gonna kill you.
Oh. You're gonna kill me?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, because you're you.
Oh, look, it's him. I'm gonna have to completely blur her out now. It's like, her face. That's a sensor right there. Anyways, let's get back to something cute like this puppy right here. Say hello. Say hello. Ready? Say hello. Oh, hello. Hello. Good job, Sadie. Be free. Be free. Okay. She's gone. Wow, hello there, old friend. What are we filming?
Everything.
Everything? Yeah, that's right. We kind of are. We're gonna film a lot of stuff. Well, let's get to it. Sadie, you want one?
You can have one. Come on. Get up there. You can have one.
Come on, Sadie, jump. Jump, baby, jump.
I was like, no, now you're filming me.
I'll even help you out. Here you go. Put your... Wow.
You should probably just go outside, man.
You gotta go poops.
Yeah, right on your bed.
Hi.
Sadie's better.
I completely agree. Can you zoom up on this? No?
No.
Well, your camera sucks. Hey, come here. Come here, babe. Come here. Are you mad at us? Fine. I'll get you over here, please. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, come and get it. She's like, no, I'm not doing any tricks for you. You can jump up there. Right? You can have it. Come on, here.
Oh.
She spits it on the carpet, too.
Good girl.
I just farted.
Enjoy that. Well, that's some scene of detectives done for season 2, which is super cool. It's great.
You also saw the episode 2 of season 2. What did you think about it?
I thought that's like my favorite episode we've done. Like, episode 10 is really good.
12. Oh,
Episode 10 was really good, but this tops it. Like, all of season 2 is gonna be like episode 10 level stuff. Like, it's super good. Everything is really, really good.
I just ate an entire cookie, and now I feel like a fat piece of crap, just like Matthias.
This is why we don't talk a lot. Anyways, alcoholism it's making a comeback in this season 2.
You should show him the wine bottle in the fridge.
Oh yeah. Here, Matthew made a wine bottle. It looks exactly like wine. Like straight up, his mom got worried. Okay, here it is. It's like an actual wine bottle, and that's probably what I like. Yeah. It's water and food coloring. And it looks like wine. It's super good. Looks awesome. But yeah, this vlog is gonna be so short because I'm not gonna be doing anything but filming today. Yeah. Hey, we're gonna go where are we going.
You probably can't hear anything. 'cause
It is
air
very,
right in the camera.
it's super windy, but where are we going?
We are going anywhere. We're just randomly walking.
So we're just gonna walk around and we're gonna just vlog. I don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe we should eat some berries.
Maybe I'll kill Matthias. Who knows? Jeez, it feels like we're in a freaking tornado. I'm gonna blow away.
Look at that, look at that. He's freaking spinning. Yeah. Oh, but it's really hot out though.
It was so hot in the truck. We were doing a
Yes.
green screen thing with the truck for the detective's driving scene, and it was so hot in there that when we opened the door, it felt cold out here.
Like, I started sweating. I hate it. Hated that.
I was sweating, and I'm wearing a tank top.
And I was wearing like a leather jacket, so I sweat a lot.
And he had 2 layers on inside. What an idiot, right?
I know, it was dumb. Anyways, let's go do something stupid.
Yeah, and maybe we'll kill you.
Alright, so.
As you can see, there's a tree that got destroyed in a terrible storm.
Yeah, we had a huge storm here, and this tree got screwed over. Look at
You
him.
are a vampire, man. Stay the frick away from this tree, because they're hard. Jeez. I'm gonna go in. Bring it in here. Okay, actually this tree got tipped over because there were termites inside of it. But, wow.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
Look at, you want to climb it?
Look at all the holes.
Oh my god.
You could like actually climb it by sticking your feet
Yo,
in the holes.
climb. Climb it now. I think.
I wonder if I can tip it over. You ready?
Okay, try to tip it. Yeah, climb it. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh, yes. Yes, go. If it falls, nothing's gonna happen.
You can title this, "My best friend got impaled by a tree."
My best friend died. It'd be on one of those top 10 most.
Go back so you can get the entire thing. This is crazy. Like, I'm so scared right now, and I'm literally like 3 feet off the ground.
Okay, if you can reach it to the top, I would be impressed.
What are you gonna give me?
I will give you a shout out.
Wow.
I haven't done that yet, and I.
Subscribe to me.
Here, quick, plug your channel. Oh crap. Before you die, plug your YouTube channel. Go subscribe at Matt Productions
And Video Central.
and Video Central. Go subscribe to Video Central. Yeah. He's gonna.
I'm so scared.
You gonna do it. I'm gonna get a little closer.
I feel like I'm gonna pee it in my pants. Okay, I made it. Yeah.
Now jump. Batman.
I stick on the ground. I made it all the way up there and I got scratched by a stick on the ground.
Another one got like fell a bit, like a branch fell. You can't probably see it, but a branch fell and they had to cut up the logs.
It looked so much higher up when I was up there. It looks like a little tiny baby now. Ugh, now I feel like a loser.
I don't feel like Batman. I feel like Robin. Because he's a loser.
Alright, let's go do some more dumb stuff. And there's an Indian burial ground
And
thing.
some turds.
Some turds.
And it just got dripped on.
They got good.
And it's not even raining. And it's pretty clear sky, so
It's kind of sketchy.
where did that go?
So, Indian burial ground.
Don't walk on it. Don't get on it.
Don't walk on it. And you know it's that
You got a little
thing right there explaining.
Hey, by the way, this area, isn't it?
Yo,
We should do a nature haul or a nature walk with Matt Productions, but we have to be super gay, okay?
So here we are, guys, and we're walking down this beautiful bridge. We need to stop and take a pose. All right, moving on.
I swear we're not gay.
So as you can see, there's the beautiful river or stream or whatever that is right here, and it's so pretty. And there's like this little walkway. There's an idiot. And look at, isn't it pretty? Like the rippling water and everything. Oh my gosh. Oh, I went head photo.
Okay, let's put you guys in.
Yes! Put him in. Dunk him.
What do you guys think? Down there. Anything interesting? Maybe why are you wiping it on me?
Got it. Did you guys see me on the other side?
This tree's just like.
Gosh, it's a cool underpass thing.
Yo, that landed.
Underpass hall.
This
Never mind.
this tree landed like perfectly. Like look at that. It landed perfectly. It's great.
Jeez.
Holy crap.
You said holy, and then he goes, holy moly.
Look at that dang tree. It's like covered in
Tree
holes.
is, that tree's me. It's done.
It's just done.
It's a bunny. Oh, let's see the river.
This river's pretty big actually. Ooh, those are raspberries. More raspberries.
You're gonna eat,
No, they're not ripe.
eat it. And they'll be sour. Sour town.
Yeah, it's very creepy. Oh my god. This looks super cool.
Hold on, I'm gonna put it in the water. Ready?
No, you're gonna try.
No.
Ew, sludge.
Okay. I'm just gonna put it in here. Ready?
What was in there?
I feel like there's gonna be like some creepy swamp monster down there.
Yes, Matthew, because that's how it works.
Oh, by the way, you're eating rat. I'll eat one if you eat one. Or something.
What?
Oh, try and get one of these off.
Oh.
Did it? Like, try and pull it off.
Here, open.
Oh, come on. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. They literally are hard as rocks.
He's actually going in. He's desperate. He wants it.
No, he doesn't. He doesn't.
So
want
bitter. He's done.
It's so bitter. Come back to you when you're ripe, okay? Bye. All right, let's go. Oh, how did that? It looks like it got tipped upside down, but it looks like
That's weird.
that's definitely. I really want to dip the camera in the river and then like have some fish swim by or something.
Yeah, that's so hard to do though.
Yeah, that would never happen.
That's
It's
perfect.
like rotten tree.
That's perfectly come off. Throw it.
Should I throw it in the river?
Throw it in the river. Let's do it. I'm a film. Throw it. Throw it from here.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
this little known fact. Wood floats, unlike Matthias, who sinks.
Because I'm fat.
Time in doing the sour challenge. Actually, if you want part 2, just leave a like.
Leave. If this gets okay, ready for a crazy number?
Ready for a crazy number?
If this gets 1 view,
That'll be me.
we're gonna do the sour challenge again.
Sour challenge 2, but you're not gonna be in it because I'm better than you.
Oh. Okay.
Actually, if you want to be in it, you can. I have a whole bottle of lemon juice back in my house.
Oh my god, no.
Ow! I hate nature. All I do is climb freaking trees, fall off of them, get scraped by things, get prickers in my fingers, and eat spoiled, if not disgusting, raspberries. Actually, they're not ripe yet, they're not spoiled. But
Me and Matthew found a clamshell.
come here. again. We need to catch a fish. All right, ready? We're gonna catch a fish.
Okay, dip it in.
All right.
Oh, I got a pricker in my leg again.
Yay!
The water level is super high. I know you can kind of see the other rod.
Get on it.
Should I try?
Yeah.
If you push me, I'm gonna freaking murder your entire family. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna push him.
I'm gonna be so pissed. Oh, I can't stand pulling it. Okay, I kind of did.
Baby back. Water.
Here, hand me it.
Okay, be careful with it. It's my pride and joy, my baby.
Should I drop it? Okay. Oh shoot. Dude, I almost Okay. Should I dip it under?
Do you see any fish?
This child over there. This water's so disgusting, it's brown. Nope. Should I put it in the water? Put one foot on my Give it to me. No. Oh. No. Oh, hold on. Okay, okay.
Hand her back.
I refuse.
Hand her back.
No.
And she needs to go back.
No.
She's Canadian.
What your face is that? No, stay away. No. No. If you freaking push me, I swear.
Camera will be fine. You.
Okay, let's get back on the land, okay?
Drown.
Let's get on the land. I want to make this a cinematic moment. Okay, ready? Woo! That was fun, actually. That was pretty fun. Okay, let's go.
Feathers.
Guys, did you kill a bird? There's so many feathers. You ate it. You are a murderer of birds.
A lot of use crap.
Bird murder, bird murder. Bird murder.
No. Yeah.
What? You. Let's see. Go.
Give me the camera.
Nope. You don't get the camera. I'm gonna jump in. Hi there. No.
Give me the camera. There's a skeleton right there. Get closer, Mama.
Yo, okay.
Get closer. Get closer. That's a lot of fish.
Oh, those are fish?
Yeah.
That is weird.
Yeah, that's all fish.
Dude. That is crazy. Oh, you hit me in the face. You're a jerk. You broke it, Matthias.
Did I?
Yeah, see? Just kidding, you're stupid.
No one can see it, but there's a little.
See, it's
We should make some noise. I don't think it's good. I think we catch babies. Oh, dude, we got Alright, so.
Right now, go down, like, subscribe, comment, and remember, we were better than this guy. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Catch ya on the flip side.